Hi, this is Kevin Young, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install Node on a Mac OS based computer. I have Google up. I'm just going to type in Node. Helps if you spell it correctly. And the very first one here, Node.js, is what we want. They have two versions that I can download and install on my computer. They have the long-term support version and the current version. I'm just going to suggest installing the current version. It's going to ask me where I want to download that. I'm going to pick my downloads folder and go ahead and save. Okay. As soon as that's done downloading, you'll see the Node installer package. You'll just go ahead and open that. Continue. And just like that, that's all it takes to install Node. Now you might be saying, well, how do I know it's installed? Is it going to show up in my applications folder? How do I get to it? So what you would do is you would open up your terminal. You can hold down the command and space bar and type in terminal or just term and press enter. And that'll open up your terminal. Here you could just type node and a little hyphen here and lowercase b. Doing that, if you get the same version that you claimed you were downloading, so here I wanted 10.6.0, there's 10.6.0. That means that you've installed it. You're good to go.